Are you trying to tell me that I can record and create a stop motion using just my iPhone? What? Hey, my name is Jacob and thank you for joining me here at the Raw Factory, where the goal is to help you create banger food images. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a stop motion using your phone. I'll be using my iPhone 12, but I believe some of you and most of you also have a pretty decent camera on your mobile device to achieve a similar look. And to begin, I'm going to set up a pretty simple scene outdoors using natural light and a custom backdrop that I painted probably couple months ago, to be honest. But you don't need a backdrop. You can use a brick wall, you can use a white wall. Get creative. Now, because I want the only thing moving in my scene to be the action shot, not so much the camera footage, I'm gonna put my phone on a tripod. You can buy an iPhone tripod off eBay or Amazon for about $30 or so. Just depends what you're after, whether it's a cheap one or a good one. And I mean, if you're looking to do a lot more work with your iPhone, I would probably highly suggest investing in one. I reckon it'd be great. Alrighty, let's get back to it. I now want to put my camera on 4K at 60 frames per second. This is a feature that I've seen on the new iPhone 12, which is pretty damn cool. And the more frames, the better. This will allow me to capture more movement, meaning more shots. If you can't toggle between these settings on your camera app, perhaps going into the actual settings app of your phone and maybe look into the camera area and see if you can change the settings there and options or whatnot. But please do not let that stop you from creating a stop motion, or even attempting to create a stop motion with your phone, because I don't think you really need the 4K at 60 frames per second. That's just a little kind of, luxury type of thing. It's not a must. It's not a must. Okay, so now that my camera is in place, I think we are ready for the pour shot. Click the record button on your phone, get into the scene, and start pouring the shot. Let's take a look at the footage. It's not too bad, right? But how do I make this into a stop motion using my phone? Well, let me show you. I simply went on Google and typed in GIF Maker. Then select any website you like, but because I'm familiar with Easy GIF, I'm going to go with that. Next, I select Video to GIF. Then I select the Choose File button. Now select the video you would like to turn into a GIF. I'm going to blur out this section so you guys don't see my whole gallery of photos, but it's pretty much food anyway. So once I find the video I'd like to go with, I then click Upload. Once that uploads, scroll down and click the play button on that video. What I'm doing here is finding where I want the stop motion to start from. Once I'm happy with the starting point, I'll exit the video and scroll down to where it says Start Time. I then click on the button that says Use Current Position. So how do I set the endpoint of this stop motion? Well, you guessed it. Same thing as what we just did. Head back to the video, click the play button, and now find where you want the video to end. Once you are happy with this point, exit the video and scroll down to End Time and click Use Current Position. Now, for the export settings, I'm going to select the size to be original, up to 800 pixels, as I want the largest file size for a higher quality stop motion. I'm going to set my frame rate to 7, as I want less frames in my shot to make it look more like multiple shots rather than a video. And please feel free to experiment with this setting. I'm going to leave this method to FFmpeg, whatever that means, and now hit convert. There it is. Pretty cool, right? If you're not happy with these settings, you can always scroll back and tweak it. Then when you're ready, hit the convert button again and it will refresh. Since I'm happy with it, I'm now going to click the save button. I hit the download button and then save it to my phone. Well, that is all from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you create some cool stop motions and tag me in them. I'm on Instagram, guys. Tag me in your videos. I'd love to see it. Send it to me, DM it to me, whatever you want. To help others find this video, please like and subscribe. That would be fantastic. And I will see you all in the next one. Catches. Are you trying to tell me that I can create a stop motion on this iPhone 12? What?